Robinhood versus Acorns, which investing tool is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which investing tool is better among Robinhood and Acorns. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Robinhood. Robinhood offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, making it an attractive option for cost-conscious investors. Prioritizes a seamless mobile experience, allowing users to trade and manage their portfolios on the go. Allows users to buy fractional shares, enabling investment in expensive stocks with smaller amounts of money. Does not require a minimum balance to open or maintain an account, making it accessible to all investors. Offers a cash management account with a competitive interest rate on uninvested cash, along with a debit card. Somehow, it offers limited advanced trading features and tools which may not satisfy experienced traders. Has faced criticism for its customer service, particularly in terms of availability and responsiveness. Does not offer mutual funds or bonds, limiting diversification options for investors. Now let's come towards Acorns. Acorns allows users to invest spare change through round ups, where purchases are rounded up to the nearest dollar and the difference is invested. Offers automated portfolio management based on user selected risk tolerance and financial goals. Provides educational content and resources to help users understand investing and personal finance. Offers tax advantaged retirement accounts, including ERAs, for long term investment goals. Partners with various brands to offer cashback rewards that are automatically invested. Somehow, it charges a monthly fee for its services, which can be relatively high for small account balances. Primarily invests in ETFs, with no options for individual stocks, options, or cryptocurrencies. Users have less control over specific investments and timing as the platform automates most processes. Investments are typically processed at the end of the trading day, not in real time. Choosing between Robinhood and Acorns depends on your investment style, goals, and experience. In 2024, both platforms offer unique advantages. Robinhood provides flexibility and a broad range of investment options, while Acorns focuses on simplicity and automated investing. The best choice will depend on your individual financial goals and preferences. That's all for this video.